In binary trading, you can have a best strategy that can make you losses. Trading over and under, you need best timing. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can maximize your profit just by increasing your timing. So if you do not have an account, just click the link in the description, create an account, and then to locate those digits where they are located, you just tap here on options trading, tap here on Deriv Trader, and then you'll be able to land here. What you need to do next, just open here, scroll down. So to explain a little bit fast how this works is that you try to predict whether this pointer will just touch the numbers below or the numbers over. So the numbers below are just under, and then the numbers below, it means the numbers below the number you have selected. So for my case, let's say that I select 5. The numbers below will be the 5 included and then these other numbers. So if I say it will touch the numbers below, it is these numbers, and this is excluded. The number that you have selected will make you a loss if it is touched. Then if I say over, the numbers above, these are just the numbers. So I'll talk in this video how you can improve your timing. To improve your timing, you need first to make a wise decision, which is choosing a good market. These markets with 1 second tend to move a little bit faster, and if you are interested in trading such markets using this option, then you need to change your number of ticks. This is where 3 ticks comes in, so that you'll be able to recover at that instant. So for a case, let's say that you place a trade here. If you place a trade, let's say that you said it will be over, you can see this pointer can move around 2 times before your trade enters the market. At that time, 3 ticks will help you because the pointer might touch the numbers that you are not intended to predict. So you might end up being saved most of the time. So that is where you might need to choose 3 ticks if the market has 1 second. That is because that is a fast market, and then you need some recovery strategy there. Let us move to a slow moving market so that I show you how you can time the market. So for instance, I just look for a better market and then we'll use it for this example. So this looks a little bit nicer, so I just be predicting on this market. So what I need to do is I'll be using this 5 and then I'll be waiting for it to come on this side. After that, I just enter a trade. So in this market, I'll be saying it will be under. As you can see, most of the time it will be touching these numbers that has the lowest percentages. That is why I chose this market. But I might have a risk because of this 5, but it never matters. Also, you can see this 7. What I need to do, I just reduce this to 2 and then wait for it to touch here. So you need to be very fast. So you wait for it to come on this side, you enter instantly. So you can see you enter instantly, and then that way, let us say, you win that contract. So it is just that simple. So the profit here is very high when you have a good timing. You need to work on that timing so that you make a lot of money here. I have also bots that can help you to trade this really fast. So what you need to do, just check the description. What you need to do, like this video, subscribe, and then open the description, open the link there to see all the bots that you can use to make a lot of money here. If you have a question, ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.